What's going on, guys? Streetcar is buzzing. Really excited about something I want to share with you, and this I think it'll help you out with your business as well. This has nothing to do with my business, but it's a really cool insight I just had. So, as you may or may not know, I played professional soccer way back in the day, and when I was playing, it was actually really easy for me to train in the gym, because I had a very specific goal and a very specific plan to get me there. But when I stopped playing, I lacked that structure. So my workouts for the last several years have always been haphazard, and there's really never been a really compelling goal until very recently. And what I've decided to do is, I've always been enamored by gymnastics, like these gymnasts and their bodies and what they're able to do, strength, mobility, all that stuff. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dedicate my training to that. That's my goal, is gymnastics. That's what I'm going to do. No deadlifts, none of that kind of stuff. Because honestly, my body is not limber enough to do a lot of heavy lifts anymore, and that's my fault. So what does this have to do with your business? So actually, I'm just in Portland right now, and there goes an Aston Martin DB11. Very nice. So I'm in Portland right now. I'm speaking at an event, the Nutritional Therapy Association conference tomorrow morning, and so what I'm excited about with the gymnastics stuff is that I can do this stuff in the hotel. I don't need a gym. Anyways, your business, what does this have to do with you? Here's the thing, is that when you don't have a very structured plan, it's very tough to know what you're doing. Like, you tend to kind of do things haphazardly, a little bit of here, a little bit of there, but nothing's really structured. You have no plan, no structure. You don't really know. You might have a goal, but you're not really too sure how to get there. And, we talk about how structure creates freedom. And when you have structure of knowing exactly what to do in your business, it really brings you a lot of freedom, because every single day you're going to do this, every single morning you're going to do that. And it just gives you a lot of breathing room to not have to worry about, all right, what am I going to do today? So whether it's a training plan, if you're a trainer watching this, you already have that dialed in, right? Like, you've already got the exercise dialed in. And now we want to take those same principles to your business. So what I would love for you to do is, if you're having a challenging time figuring out what to do to get more leads, to get more clients, to know how to structure things properly where it's a little bit more predictable, I'm going to encourage you to check out our webinar, the 7-Figure Health Business Blueprint. It's a really good training that's going to show you exactly what we do and what we help our clients do to give them a lot more structure, so they don't have to think about doing 1,000 different things that don't work, right? So in my case, it's not like I'm going to do deadlifts one day, squats the next day, haphazardly. Now, with the training plan that I'm on, which is gymnastics specific, I know exactly what I'm doing every single day. I know exactly what I'm doing for my warm-ups, what I'm doing to limber up, and it's just really freeing. And I want to give that same sense of freedom and structure to you as well. So there should be a link around this video. Check it out. I'm going to continue my walk this morning, maybe grab a coffee, check out the city, and I hope you have an awesome day.